Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the age restriction on YouTube using your computer. Sometimes when you're trying to watch a video, YouTube might block it because of age restrictions. So here's how you can turn that off. First, go to the YouTube website and make sure you're logged into your account. Now, click on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Scroll down and you'll see an option called restricted mode. Make sure that it's switched off. That alone should fix the issue for most users. But if you can't turn it off or the option isn't available, then you'll need to make a quick change in your Google account settings. To do that, click on Google account in the navigation menu. Then from the left-hand side, select personal info. Scroll down until you see the birthday section and click on it. Here's the important part. If your account shows you're under 18, YouTube will automatically restrict certain videos. So if you entered the wrong birth date by mistake, go ahead and correct it here. Once you've updated your birth date, click save. Now head back to YouTube and make sure restricted mode is still turned off. And that's it. You should now be able to watch age-restricted content with no problems. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.